In this video, I will show you how to view Instagram without an account. So it is very clear that I have in here this Instagram with an account. However, if you want to view an Instagram without an account, you can head over here to the browser. And then on this new page, you can click on this search and search in here for Instagram.com. And then from in there, you can actually just put in here a URL that you want to use. After the Instagram.com, when you head over and then show this particular page, you should be able to see in here that you need to log in or sign up. However, if you don't want to sign up or log in, what you can do in this case is to just head over and then put in here the username of the person that you want to see. So for example, let's put in here the username of the person that you want to actually see the profile into. Then this will load. And then from in there, once it's downloading, you should be able to see in here the profile of that person without ever signing in. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like, or subscribe, because it helps reach more people. See you soon.